So we've got the Cybertruck here, and I just asked one of the media guys if I can get a closer look, and I'm pretty keen. I think if you come to the show, you'll actually be able to have a closer look. So this one's left-hand drive. I saw the back open yesterday, so the tailgate opened up with the roller shutter. All in stainless steel. You can see the size of the wheels, they're massive. There's a fella there cleaning everyone's fingerprints off. Yeah. I'm going to put my coffee down so I can have a better look. All right, I'm with one of the media guys here, KG. So he's just showing me how to open the door, because I come up to the side of the door and gone, how do I do this? And there's a little button here and our door is open. So I'm going to give you guys a quick look of the inside of the Cybertruck. So you can see you've got the single screen inside. No doubt, like any of the Teslas, any of you guys have been, if you've been in Vegas and been in any of the taxis, you would have seen that they've got the screen inside, and it gives you every angle, all the cameras of the vehicle. Big long dash in here, so you've got a lot of visual there with the windscreen. Fairly small steering wheel, and you've got brake and accelerator down the bottom. Looks like plenty of storage. On the inside, you've got, it's a 5-seater, plenty of space in here, and a bit like my Corvette, you've got the roof that you can actually see through, so it's quite visual. Now, you've got lots of storage in the door, and of course, it's all completely stainless steel, so it's really good. Now, I'm just going to open the back here, so I'm going to open the door. I'm going to open the door. No, I'm not going to open the door. I'm a learner at Cybertrucks here, so our door's open. I'm not going to try and do fingerprints because the young fella's been busy cleaning. So everything's electric, lots of comfort in here. Really, really nice. Really nice. All right, we're going to open up the back here. Everything's push button, so it's got a roller shutter. Plenty of payload in here. So you can put lots of stuff in here. On the window, so I don't know whether you guys spotted that, but the window visor drops down. So if you're looking at your windscreen mirror, you want to see through to the back, you can do that. Obviously, if you're traveling, the roller shutter's going to be closed. You're not going to see that anyway. This opens up. I think I saw that last night. Yeah, look at that. So plenty of payload in the back of the Cybertruck. I saw, I don't know whether these guys will agree, but I saw on a YouTube channel, America, Heavy D Sparks, he actually put 37s, put bigger wheels, put new suspension on this, and gave it lots and lots of clearance. You're not going to buy it like that, and I'm sure your warranty is going to be void if you start doing that sort of stuff. But he's got that sort of channel, 4.3 million subscribers, and he actually added a lot to the Cybertruck. So I'll keep moving from here. Thank you, KG, much appreciated. I know you guys are getting ready. I haven't even set up my stand yet, so I've got to go back and do that. Thank you very much.
Good. Have a good day, yeah?
Yeah, you too.
See you later if you need anything else.
Yeah, thanks very much. So the guys were really good here, so I'm pleased to actually have a look. Electric seats. Pretty damn cool. And this is where our future's going with full drives. All right, we're going to keep walking along. Oh, look, there's Nash from Nash Time Adventures once again. From the future of electric vehicles to some good old-fashioned combustion V8 muscle.